Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So first we need to open the settings. To do that, press the upper button to open the menu, then scroll through it, find the settings icon and tap on it to open the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the connectivity option, and once you find it, tap on it. Then find the Wi-Fi option and select it. And here, scroll to the option called My Networks. And here you have the list of networks saved on your watch. Basically, if your watch is near the network or in the vicinity of the network, right here, some of them, and the network has the best reception, the watch will try to connect to it. And if it has the internet, you will have the internet connection. If it's not saved, it won't try to connect to it automatically. So let's say you want to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network and you don't want your watch to connect to it again. You simply tap on the network, tap on remove, tap on the check mark, and once the network disappears, your watch won't connect to it anymore. And if you want to connect to it again, you will need to tap on search for networks, look for it on the list, tap on it, select it, enter the password and connect to it. And once you're done, of course, you can press lower button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.